Guys, Albatross here for a quick overview. So the idea is to create basically a game, a standalone game that will then interact or jump into our favorite flight simulator, military flight simulator. Right now we are using DCS, maybe in the future going to use the new flight sim, the NOR platform. This is made using Unreal Engine. So why not creating already something as well in Unreal Engine? And by the way, Unreal Engine 5 is just great. I'm exporting it as well right now. Have the guy launched. So the goal for now would be to create the headquarters, not a mod inside of DCS. We don't want to be inside of DCS. We don't know which simulator we're going to use. We are just a bunch of pilots that we love to have fun and to be proficient and to fly as a squadron with communications and protocols, procedures, etc. And we want to be able to do this regardless of the simulator we are using. So, and also having this guy in mind for Unreal Engine and all the possibilities of Unreal Engine. I'm creating the headquarters using also Unreal Engine. And I want to recreate the base we have chosen for now in Senaki, in Caucasus. We can then move to other maps. But for now in Senaki, what I want to create is to create a set of buildings and hangars inside of the airbase, our HQ, and we'll have a building with our briefing rooms and all of that. I have a quick map here, what I'm going to do. So basically, I'll start with the landscape, terrain, and satellite images, because I want to have a realistic environment around Senaki and inside of Senaki, maybe the city as well. Then create the headquarters itself and the buildings and the maps and populate that map, create the avatars, be able to interact, open doors, close doors, and move some objects, etc. This would be the main core, the first stage. Then, of course, having some login details and avatar details inside of the game and move from a single player to a multiplayer option, and also implementing VR as I go, because I don't want to build all of those or having a team building all of that, and then at the end, okay, now let's try VR, and we'll have to rebuild everything from scratch. So as we go, we are going to implement this in VR as well. Having multiplayer, we will be able to manage human resources within and launch it for early access for the team. And maybe some public. Of course, we want to have fun and to make sure our goals are set, our purpose. I mean, we want to create a briefing room. This is where actually it started. Inside of DCS, we don't have this option. We have to go to Discord, for example, where we hang around with our friends and virtual pilots, etc. We have our briefings. So why not create this game where you have voice proximity as in any other game using VR, creating the avatars, and do the briefing room. In regards to the avatars as well, it's pretty amazing because I'm exploring now Quixel Bridge for the superhuman detail, or the metahuman, how they call it, because we are focusing on the meta side of things. For the maps, we are going to use topography. We have lots of resources. I'm learning how to import this into Unreal Engine. Then the avatars would be very human-like. The meta-humans are really amazing, also easy in Unreal Engine. This is a sample of a terrain using Unreal Engine. Lots of detail. I want this to look like Senaki in Georgia, create the airbase in here. We also have some satellite images of the airbase, etc. And then inside of it, create all the fleet management, the hangar management, weapon storage management, fuel depot management, and the crew chief team, AI or client, and create a game, basically the maintenance, and have fun inside of the airbase, and being able to create the missions, and from there jump into the aircraft in our favorite simulator. I'm not planning yet to create my own simulator, not yet. But this is how it goes. So if you guys think you can help anyhow, please join us on the Discord, Albatross. We'll be very happy to build a team and to start working on this.